Hi, so today I'm going to be explaining how our wearable epinephrine auto-injector works. So this is the actual thing. So this part would be the part you'd wear on your wrist, just like a regular watch, and then this blue part on top is the actual device. Okay, so if we take little bit better look at what the device looks like, this dark blue part is just a protective shield, so we'd actually take that off to see what the inside part looks like. And in that protective shield, there is just this purple support piece, and all that does is hold the gas cartridge in place. So if we come over here, this green piece is the cartridge housing unit, so inside that gray part is the actual CO2 cartridge. And then over here, the gray part is a puncture plate. So on here, there's that nail. And then there's also a hole that's lined up with the tubing in this block. So what would happen is when you push down on the tubing block, it drives the nail into the cartridge, which in turn punctures the CO2 cartridge and then releases the gas. And if we hide that, you can see that when the gas is released, it's channeled through this hole and through the tubing into the needle housing unit. So I'll show you what's in the needle housing unit. If we pull that piece out. Okay, so in here, the medication is actually stored in this hollow cavity. And this piece right here doubles as a vial and a plunger because when the gas comes in and hits it, the medication is pushed out through that center hole, and then the outer filled in region, when the gas hits that, it actually pushes out the needle itself. So through that kind of design, the needle and the medication are actually pushed out at the same time. And then on this end, this piece right here is just like a guard essentially to keep the needle from flying out completely. That way it's only able to be pushed out to the end of that blue piece right there. So it doesn't go flying, and then these holes actually allow any excess gas to be released. So essentially, if you were going to use the device, you would push down on this tubing block right here, and that would drive that nail into the gas cartridge, puncturing it. The gas would be released, channeled through here. It would hit that plunger and vial, and then it would pull out that needle, shooting out the medication and the needle at the same time to inject. So, yeah, that's how it works.